Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport timing chain noise and provides a general overview of situations where unusual sounds may come from the engine area related to timing chain operation. Timing chain noise is discussed here as abnormal rattling or mechanical sounds that may be noticeable during startup, idling, or changes in engine speed. This explanation remains general because engine design, timing system configuration, mileage, maintenance history, and operating conditions can vary by model year and engine variant, and the issue may not apply to every Ford EcoSport. In reviewed technical and service-related information, timing chain noise is treated as a symptom rather than a single confirmed fault. In some situations, noise characteristics may change depending on oil condition, engine temperature, or operating load. Older generations may experience different noise patterns due to normal wear over time, while newer models could still show timing-related noise depending on usage, service intervals, or prior repairs. The presence of noise alone does not automatically confirm a specific failure and typically requires inspection. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general guidance perspective, timing chain noise concerns are usually evaluated through diagnostic inspection rather than assumptions. Some situations may be addressed through maintenance-related checks, while others may require further evaluation if a verified condition is identified. Driving habits and service history can influence how and when timing-related noise becomes noticeable. In conclusion, timing chain noise in the Ford EcoSport can have different explanations depending on vehicle generation, engine condition, and operating environment. Understanding that noise patterns are not identical across all vehicles helps ensure appropriate evaluation without unnecessary assumptions. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.